Welcome to the Rares Report, June the 29th, weekend edition. Let's start off the report by looking at Easter egg prices. We can see in the daily Easter egg prices broke below this important level and did not recover above. And this is important when we see the weekly prices that it broke below this upside down cup and came lower. In the monthly charts, we can see that we are coming to a bit of a triangle formation here and could be some really important times for prices in the Easter eggs. Pumpkin rose sharply higher, and it's an interesting time when we come out of this triangle that we have a bit of an uptick going on. We have two lower lows here and a downtrend basically here, if I get that line right, in the monthly charts. So it could be, again, a turnaround point, and it's important to watch for these every single day when you're trading a market. Let's go down to here we are with Disc of Returning, a very volatile day where it seemed to have hit a bottom and then shown a little bit more strength, but still below yesterday's entry price. And if we look at the weekly prices, it is coming down, but it could be forming a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation here. We've got a lower lows still, so I wouldn't expect this to be the bottom, but it is showing at what could be a support level. When we go to half jug of wine, we have a slight uptick in the price of this as well. Moving on to party hats, we can see purple opened lower. But on the weekly and monthly charts, we're seeing a lot of variability in this price where we've hit some lowers prices, and now it seems to have turned around and created a bit of a correction. And when we look at the long-term charts, this could be a breakout of this downtrend that has been going on now for some time here. Yellow party hats stayed in a range of trading, bouncing off 1630 a couple times in the daily charts, but we see in the weekly charts some support and maybe a bit of a reversal here, and it could be a breakout through this downtrend again, the same as we saw in purple. Green party hat showed a bunch of strength running out of these formations, also breaking out on the monthly, but doing a bit of a downtrend. Here would be the number 1 point, here would be the number 2 point, this would be the number 3 point that it broke out above, and this would be a buy signal for many traders. So watch these markets, this is an interesting time. Red party hat also showed strength out of this similar pattern, breaking out, but it didn't make a solid 1, 2, 3 bottom formation to trade out of. The daily prices started off and gained strength through the day, leveling off here at trading this morning. White party hat remained at its posted range, as did blue party hat and the Christmas cracker. And now moving on to the lowers, we can see that green Halloween showed lower prices throughout the day with a little bit of variability, and again breaking down below this important kind of formation here after creating a long lazy sideways channel for the last recent while. Blue Halloween is also showing what could be a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, hitting the bottoms here and showing us a low, a bit of a high, and then some sort of consolidation here. This could be the change in direction, or it could be a consolidation before going lower. Red Halloween mask has been softer, showing a little bit of strength, but not really showing the strength that we saw in blue, where it's showing almost a bit of a bottom here. Not quite the same in red, although it is showing a slow in the downtrend. When we go on to Santa hat, this has been a fantastic market for people who are flipping. The range has been nice. We get a good trade going on a regular basis as this market moves sideways. And as it moves sideways, it's building momentum so that when it does move one direction or another, it's going to move fast. And there's your weekend edition of the Rares Report for June the 29th, 2013. These news reports are entirely powered by your likes. If you appreciate these reports, click on like, share it with a friend.